I'm hard headed. I'm hard headed. But also, it's the curse of not knowing, or the joy of not knowing. Is if somebody has said, hey, before you get into this journey, let me show you a quick book of what the next 10 years will be. I might have been like, you know what? Starbucks is hiring. I could work at Starbucks. It'll be cool, right? So it helps to not know, for me, just because, even though I want to know, not knowing gives me the freedom to not try to be perfect or try to make it all work out exactly like that picture should be. But also, I think that as I get older, one of the things, I turn into one of the old heads. I just do. And I was like, oh, that stuff they told me when I was 20, I see it now. I get it now. And what's become really, really important for me is to take up space, to be like, hey, I'm a black woman who owns a business, who has natural hair.